Your project has encountered unforeseen delays, necessitating significant adjustment to the project schedule. The project team is geographically dispersed and operate across various time zones. It is imperative to communicate these schedule changes effectively to ensure all team members are aligned and aware of their revised responsibilities. Which approach should you use to communicate these schedule changes most effectively? So, if I just see the question, we are focusing on supporting virtual team or working with a virtual team, diversified group. We are focusing on critical communication. So, probably the question will focus on push, pull, and interactive space. And I know the interactive is the one which should be used for critical information exchange. But there is a challenge of diversified time zones and teams spread across the globe. So how do I do that interactive communication? I need to see what are the options available. Wherever the rich communication is happening, I will go for it. Yeah. So option A, draft a comprehensive email detailing the new schedule and the reasons for the change and send it to all team members, expecting them to review and acknowledge the updates. A possible option, nothing wrong about it, but it's not that much rich because it's asynchronous. There is a possibility of misinterpretation, and clarifying those things may take time, and something wrong may happen till the time we clarify that. Some people may not even ask the clarification and they assume what they want to assume. So I want to avoid it because the information is critical here. Let's see other options. Option B, update the project schedule on a commonly assessed project management platform and send a notification to the team to review the changes at their earliest convenience. This is focusing on pull communication. We are saying that yes, we will put it at a place. And the first one was more push, the option B is pull, and people can receive it. Yes, it's a good idea for a generic communication, but here we are focusing on critical changes. Yeah. So critical changes in general, the team is expected to be fall under high interest, low power. And for that, pull communication is good. We can put an information radiator and they can keep pulling it. But here, the criticality of understanding the information is high. So I probably can't rely on just pull communication. Yes, there is a push notification also going on. So we are mixing push and pull, but can I have a better interactive one? Let's see if we get the option. Option C, arrange a series of live virtual meetings, interactive, yeah, segmented by team or a time zone to walk through the revised schedule, allow team members to ask questions and provide immediate feedback. Perfect. Because this communication is including interactiveness. So out of till now available, C looks great. Option D, create a short video presentation of the schedule changes and share it via email and on the project portal, inviting team member to send their queries or comment via email. So it is better than option A and B because I am creating more rich communication. It is just not words. I am bringing expression. I am explaining it. Yeah. So video communication is better than the text communication that is there. But since we already have an option C, if we are missing option C, I have to select option D only. But since we have an interactive communication option available, why don't I go for interactive communication rather than I still focus on asynchronous and push-pull communication? So overall, this question is mapping to a process domain task to manage communication. And it is also focusing on engaging and supporting the virtual team. Now you don't start thinking how it will take long time to arrange virtual meetings and I might not be able to work in a multiple sessions. Those all informations are not clear here. That will be a detailing. The what thing is here is you have a critical change. What is the best way to communicate it? That assumption is or that confusion could be relevant in other areas also. So I am choosing the best out of four available without adding too much information to the question which is available to me. So the question is not talking about challenges related to my time zone. Question is saying, do you want to conduct various series of meetings so that it can be communicated well? And that is seems to be the good idea. And that was there in option C. It's overall about using good communication methods whenever needed, and good understanding of communication management plan is something tested in this particular question.